is so much cheese.
No, you're close.
Yeah, I'm close, but I'm gonna move faster now.
Students from Leiden University come from all over the world. Food is a perfect way to connect and share. So go ahead and Dishcover the world.
Hallo, ich bin Kira. I'm 19 years old. I am from Munich, Germany. And today I'm going to cook my favorite German dish for my friends. It's called Käsespätzle. And it's my favorite dish because in Germany it's very popular and it just reminds me of the good old times of my childhood because my mom always used to make it for me. So we're gonna start the cooking now, and for my dish, Käsespätzle, you're gonna need 300 grams of flour, you're gonna need 2 onions, you're gonna need Emmentaler cheese and Gouda cheese, also some parsley for the topping, and of course 6 eggs. I have help of my 2 friends, Doa and Humaira.
Hi!
Now we're going to start the preparations for my dish. So, do you want to cut the onions maybe?
Of course.
Perfect, thank you. And do you want to grate the cheese?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. So for the dough, as I mentioned, you're going to need flour and you're going to need eggs.
I don't really like cheese, so I'm really excited. How is your dish going to turn out? Because maybe I will like it.
I hope you're still gonna like it because it's very cheesy, but we're gonna see, yeah. So now I'm gonna make the dough for the Käsespätzle, and you're gonna make that by mixing the flour really slow into the eggs, only a little bit. And then you're gonna start mixing it at first, and then you're gonna add more and more flour. Then after you added all the flour, you're gonna add a tiny drop of cold water just to make the dough a little bit more watery and not as hard. In Germany, I usually eat dinner with my family, with my mom, because I'm an only child, I don't have any siblings or anything. And then we usually sit down at the table. Sometimes she's cooking, sometimes I'm cooking, sometimes I'm helping her. It really depends. But for lunch and for breakfast, we usually eat alone because she has to go to work or she's at work or I'm eating out with friends or something like that.
I think my part is done.
Oh yeah, that looks really good. I'm also done. You?
Oh, I'm not near done with this cheese. This is so much cheese.
No, you're close.
Yeah, I'm close, but I'm gonna move faster now.
When I first came here in the Netherlands, I did not get homesick at all, which is kind of weird. But I just loved that I lived right next to the beach and I could go to the beach every day if I wanted to, even when it rained. And I just met a lot of new, really friendly international people who were all very open to meet new people too. So I just really felt like I belong here and it just really felt like home. Now I'm going to start with the dough of the spätzle. So you're gonna need a grater for this, and you just put it on the pot, and then you're gonna take a little bit of dough, like this, put it on the grater, and then you just grate it into the water, like this. And now we're gonna put the dough that we made in this pan, like this. So we're gonna need the Emmentaler and the Gouda, and we're gonna put it to our dough, and then we're gonna mix it up, let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we're done. And now we can start the plating. Really cheesy. Now you're gonna top it with some onions. Now you're gonna grab some parsley, sprinkle it on top to make it look pretty. And for the final touch, you're gonna add pepper again, just on the top like this. And then you're done. Guys, the food is ready. Woo! This one is for you, and this one is for you. I'm gonna get mine.
This looks amazing.
Yeah, I know.
I'm like very hungry right now.
I think I'm gonna like this one. Because it smells nice.
I got my dish now.
Okay, great.
So we're gonna start. I hope you guys like it. I'm nervous.
I'm happy. I'm really happy.
This is definitely cheesy, very cheesy. Like, look at that. Oh my god.
This was my Discover the World. I hope it looked really delicious. And if you want to have the recipe, just look in the comments down below. And if you want to win a beautiful apron like mine, just write your favorite dish in the comments down below. Thank you. Bye.
Rolls.
Wait,